Hey there, it's Vicki Marie, and today I'm going to join the Tiny Tidy Tuesday collab. This is an open collaboration hosted by Sunday Dawn over at The Helpful Home. And I just encourage you to go over and check out her channel. It'll be linked in my description today. And she creates a playlist every Tuesday for all of the other channels who are participating. You can go over and get some motivation if you're trying to tidy up your home. This is an ongoing process, and I know I can use all the help I can get. I have a basket here. This is my catch-all basket, and this is where I just throw stuff. This table, it looks bad, but I'm getting ready to replace it. Stay tuned. I got new furniture coming soon. So I'm just gonna go through. This is the basket I just put. It's sort of my maybe basket, things where I put the things that I might need, and they need to either be placed in a home, like they're forever home, like where they belong. Like this thing here needs to go back on my bookshelf, or I need to get rid of them. But this is sort of where I throw stuff. So let me know if you guys have something similar. A lot of mine are books right now, but there's a few just odds and ends here. So this is a metaphysical anatomy book, Yvette Rose. This is part of some work that I've done in the past, and this is a reference book, and I refer to it quite a bit still. So this has to go on my bookshelf. These are my self-care cards, and I've shown you guys these before, and they're just sort of thrown in here because I just haven't really had the bandwidth to deal with them. So I need to put them away or place them somewhere where I will use them. Let's draw a card real quick, shall we? It's always fun to kind of do this. I just found them at a bookstore. This one says, "Truly enjoy that cup of tea or coffee." Okay then, I hope you're enjoying some tea or coffee. I had some coffee earlier, and right now I need to get into my mode here to do this. I cannot be sitting down enjoying coffee or tea right now, but I hope you can. So this is just a notebook. I keep lots of these around, and I keep lots of Post-it notes on here. This is a course I took a long time ago on prayer. It was like a prayer study kind of thing, and I mean this thing, it was like I was studying herbology too. This thing is old, kind of like me. Geez, I'm trying to see the date. 1998, 1999 is when I printed this out. So I am going to keep it because it's so old. I just want to keep it. This says live in the moment, and yeah, these things just get thrown in here. When I'm tidying up and organizing and decluttering around my house, any odds and ends that I'm just not sure what I want to do with, or I don't want to go like put them away. Like I'm on the fence with these cards because I don't want to put them away. I don't know what to do with them, so they kind of stay in my little maybe basket. I don't know. But the metaphysical, this needs to go on my bookshelf upstairs. I do know where it goes, so I've got a pile here. This living in the moment, I want to keep it. I just don't know what to do with it. So there you go. This is why it's in this little maybe catch-all. These I do know where. These are stickers for my planner and things like that. So I know where these go. So I'll put them away. This is all about angels, a couple little prayer books that I have. And this is inspirational phrases sticker pack. I love these things. I use these a lot when I'm writing cards out to people and things like that. I don't really put them in my planner that much, but I'll put these I'm gonna put all these together. All these stickers I'm just gonna put in a pile. And my little books here, I'll just put them in a pile here. Hopefully I figure out what to do with them. And this is just another notebook. Like I said, I have lots of notebooks I write in. I'm just going to put it in my notebook pile. Another journal. Here's some Avery stickers for the printer. I think they're postcards. Because I was thinking I might, well, John prints out postcards for something that he does with amateur radio actually, and that's why we bought them. And I was thinking I might print out some cards for my channel at some point. I don't know. So I'll put them, they go with the printer. That's where they'll go. I have my Artist Way book. I've talked about this before. I use it a lot. I refer to it. So I think I'm going to put my journals and my little prayer. I think I'm going to stack these up and put them maybe here near my reading nook. Maybe I'll do that. I think that's what I'm going to do. Yeah. So I'll just stack them here. And then I have another little just a book. This is a very old book that I read sometimes. I'm going to put it here with my little pile of reading books. Hey, hi, hello there. This is just a blank card that I have in case of, oops, I think this might be a card that I received, or is this one I didn't mail? Or, this is an old card and it's kind of stuck. Not sure. Oh wow, nope. This is an old card that I bought to send out, but it's, I think I'll save the envelope. I'm going to throw this away. I know that's wasteful, but that's what I'm going to do. This is a blank card though, and I do have a folder in my file cabinet for blank cards. So I will put that in there. These tabs, I use these a lot, even in my little notebooks that I write in. You see these little post like these things here to mark the page. I use a lot of these. So I always keep those near my journals and my reading books. This is just another little notebook. Oh goodness. Hold on, John's calling me. Okay, so John called and he wanted me to order this shirt. It's a red, white, and blue shirt they have to have for work, for something at work. I don't know, some kind of patriotic, like red, white, and blue day at work. So, all right. And now let's finish this up. I'm almost done. So I have this Fly Lady control journal. It's been sitting in here because I've been switching to the Fly Lady app on my phone, so I haven't really been referring to this as much. But you know, back in the day I was using this and it worked out really good, and I am such a visual person, so I think this helps a lot than always doing things on my phone. I mean, I go back and forth because I don't like to, like, I'm just trying to simplify, and it seems like the Fly Lady, I do have the Fly Lady Plus app on my phone. I think it was like a one-time fee that I paid, and to me it just seemed like it was worth it. And it gives me reminders and everything right on my phone of what to do, the zone cleaning and the things to do for the day. So that's working really well. So I think I'm going to file this. I'm not getting rid of it. I could, but no, I still might want it. So I'm gonna file it in. I'm gonna put it in my kitchen on the shelf with my little magazine holders. You know, I think I'll put it up there because that's where I would refer to it. Like, the kitchen is sort of my office, you know, when it comes to home management. And I also bought some of these tabs, the Avery Write and Erase durable plastic dividers. And I bought these when I was building up my Fly Lady journal. And if you guys want to know more, I mean, I can delve into this and show you how I put this together. Or if you're like me and you're switching to phone apps and simplifying, you might not want to see that. But I mean, Fly Lady has a lot of great stuff right on her website. So I don't know why I have this. It's the 2020-2021 planner. Why do I hold on to this? Well, I think I hold on to it because I just had a lot of really great things in here that I put together. I mean, I was using this, and then I swapped and started using my online calendar again, and I stopped using a journal like this, and I don't know why I hung on to this. I guess I'm gonna throw it. Yeah, it is so hard for me to throw away something like this. Like, I just want to hold on to it because all the energy and all the good vibes that went into this as I was planning. I do save my wall calendars because they're not very big, and they kind of serve as sort of I put them with our pictures, because I enjoyed when my mother-in-law passed away, we went through her stuff, and I really enjoyed looking at her old calendars that she kept, her wall calendar, because she just jotted down little notes every day. I try to do that on my wall calendar. Yeah, but I'm going to throw this. Garbage. And this is out of my control journal. Control journal setup. What is a control journal? Benefits of using one. Who should use one? Why? What to include and why. These were notes I took when I was putting together my control journal. So I'm going to hang on to that too. Another notebook. This is just going to go in my notebook pile. And I noticed a lot of these notes. This one's pretty full. That I think I'm going to. Oh, there's a recipe in here. I'm going to go through here. This is a meatloaf recipe I wrote in here. I think I will. Oh, I have a note about Lori F&M Lifestyle. And, oh, Anthony McNett. This is old. Like this was a. I don't know what this was. Bunch of channels. I don't know what that was. I was writing notes in here on planning for my vlog. Okay, I think this is filled up. I don't need it. I'm going to toss it. Oh, that feels so weird. I'm going to throw this. This is just camping trips, Mexico trip. These were notes I took. Here's some page protectors. I have quite a few. I'm going to just put these with my office supplies. Yeah. And I have a little notebook here. It's just a small little notebook, and I don't use it. I thought I would have it in my purse to write notes down, but honestly, my phone has a little notepad. It's got a little stylus I can write, so I just use that all the time. I haven't used this, so I'm probably just going to give this to put this in my giveaway pile. Let's see, and then I hauled this a while back. I think Hobby Lobby maybe. I don't remember, or I'm not sure where I got this. And I don't know if it has it on here. Don't know. St. Patrick's Day ribbon, and I did not use it, so I'm going to put it away with my craft stuff. And then I have one of these in here, and I just use that to put papers together, so I'll put that in my desk. I have some, oh, this is like a stencil roller thing. I don't even know why that's in there. That needs to go with my crafts. Some pens. I need to put these in my pen holder on my desk. Do not know what this is, but it's got duct tape on it, electrical tape. Something broke and I tried to fix it. Garbage. And, oh, this is one of those things for a curtain rod and a hair tie. And some of these little note things. Okay. This I'm going to put in the toolbox for John in case that's something he needs. The hair tie's going in the bathroom. And this is garbage. And that's empty. All right, let me get all this put away real quick. I hope you're doing well. Do go over and check out Sunday Dawn's channel. Thank you, Sunday, for hosting this. This is really I think this is a good thing and so helpful. And all the other channels that participate. I get so much motivation and inspiration on how to keep my own house tidy. So, all right, thanks for watching. Take good care. I'll see you on the next one. All about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you? Wanna see